Okay, children. So next type question. Find the point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the points 6, 5 and minus 4, 3. See the point which on the y-axis. So already I told you the points which on the y-axis. Example I told you in the previous classes. See children, and that point is equidistant from the points. Same like before question only what we have discussed in the previous class. So here, in the previous class they given x and y, directly they given point. But here, the point on the y-axis, that is important. So can you say the point which lie on the y-axis? So that is when they are asking on the y-axis x value 0, that you remember. So here solution given points A 6, 5, B minus 4, 3, let P is equals to on the y-axis means 0, K, this angle. So this point is like say this is P, this is R, otherwise you can take like this also. A 6, 5 somewhere here 6, 5. This is A. B minus 4, 3. Minus 4, 3 means here somewhere. This is B minus 4, 3. And the point 0, K here. This is 0, This point is equidistant from these two points. Means if it is 5 units, this also 5. Same like. So then according to given data, from given data diagram, AP is equals to EB. See here, like AP, what is, first we should take these two. Same formula, distance x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then here also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So AP 0 minus 6 plus K minus 5, that is equals to this one. Next PB, BP or P, the x2 value 0 minus of minus 4 whole square, y2 K, y1 3 whole square. Right now under root of minus 6 square plus K minus 5, let it be. Then minus into minus plus 4 square, then K minus 3 also same like this. Now 6 square 36 under root plus K minus 5 whole square, that is equals to under root of 16 plus K minus 3 whole square. Now here we are getting square roots. To get cancelled, again we have to do squaring on both sides. Under root of 36 plus K minus 5 whole square, that is equal to under root of 16 plus K minus 3 whole square, square root cancel. 36 plus K minus 5 whole square is equals to 16 plus K minus 3 whole square. Right. So 30, this simplify 36 a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same like that, k square minus 6k plus 9, k minus b whole square. So already I told you both sides are same symbols with same variables. The answer k square 36 25, 30 plus 20 50, 6 plus 5 11, 61 minus 10k. Then 16 plus 9 25 minus 6k. Then this value transpose 61 minus 25, that is equals to minus 6k plus 10k. Right. 61 minus 25, 36. Then what we will get? 10 minus 6, 4k. Then k is equal to 36 by 4, 4 ones are 4 nines are. So k is equals to 9. Therefore, the point on the y axis is what we are taking first? 0 comma k, nothing but 0 comma k value. How much we are getting? 9. So 0 comma 9. This point is equidistant from the A and the B. So this type of questions very important, children. Sometimes they will ask the point on the x-axis. X-axis means that at that time we should take 0, k comma 0. So these types of questions are very important. So compulsory questions. So these are very important. And the next before going to next problems, then once listen one different kind of problem here. What they will ask like. Okay, so next class we will discuss here.